Hello, this is the Movincool Office Pro 18. Bring you down here to the serial number. You can see it was built in April 2010. The 0410 starts with is the date. Right here is the cooling agent. They usually use R410A. It's the new environmentally friendly coolant. So let's go ahead and turn this on. Now you can hear it. I have the temperature on there. I've been doing this for a while, trying to get the my speech right. But it does cool, and you'll see it keep on going down. This is a little small room. And I just wanted to prove to the eBay audience that the temperature does work. So, let's see, here's my the air coming out is pretty cold. It's winter time, so I have the heater in here to warm up the room. You can see it is November 3rd. This is when I'm filming this. Anyway, it'll bring your temperature really low. It includes the vent. I have this up into a room that I'm redoing in my house here, so I may have to heat the whole house up. So, anyway, this is the Movincool Office Pro 18. It's for sale on eBay. Thanks.